Alright, hello YouTube, this is Ahoy. This is a test on my new setup. This is also me testing on OBS. And I normally used Podfarm to make my guitar tones, but since Podfarm is old and my computer now uses Cubase 12, which doesn't use VST2, so I need to do something new to get a decent guitar tone. So yeah, let's try something. So here I have the GTR tuner, and it sucks compared to the Podfarm tuner. I think I need to get something else, but that will do for now. Then let's try something from the guitar menu. What is this? I have never used this. Alright. I think I need to change my buffer size. Let's try this. Alright. Hey, this has a tuner. Well, that crackling is annoying. Is it just getting the clean guitar through, or is it just on my setup? That's something wrong. Headphone outs, where are you? No, that's not it. Hey. Yeah, no, that's not it. Why does it sound so weird? It's like one. Yeah, mono in. That's not the problem. This new Cubase 12 is weird. I still haven't gotten used to it yet. What about if I just change this to mono to stereo? Yeah, I think that solved that. Nice crunch. No? Does this have a gate? Oh, here. Too tight. It still sounds so super weird. Like I can hear something's. It's like they are different on left and right. And you can even see it on the levels. Is there any way to make this mono? Oh, maybe it's this. you can still hear. What is doing that? I don't get it. No, that was not what I was looking for. Is it called down mix? It might be under tools. Infest, no. Maybe under other. Mono to stereo, no, the other way. I want stereo enhancer, no, width. Yeah, that's the one that I was looking for. But it still sounds kind of weird. That boost sounds kind of weird. Okay, that's the... Yeah, kinda not digging this. It sounds kind of flabby. Yeah, this is kind of annoying. And I mean, why is this even there? Why is this not always open? Alright, so still sounds kind of speedy. I don't know why. Hey, that sounded kind of cool. No idea what the speed does, but it makes it feel kind of weird. This feels like presence. Yeah, what about sag? Yeah, the speed, no. The bias is basically a presence boost. Yeah, I think that might be alright for now, for that kinda. Well, that can get scooped. It's like, it's either 0 yeah, everything after 10 is not doing anything. How useless is that control? That does literally nothing. It's so subtle, it's not even funny. Well, that does something. But once again, it's like... Yeah, the bass is pretty much the only thing that does something. Alright, I guess that's it for the guitar setup, so let's save this. Alright, thank you for watching. Make good music, this is Ahi. Right, let's try this. So now I have routed the audio analogically to another sound card. Maybe I will not get so much crackling, and instead of OBS I'm recording with the Quicktime. So let's see what happens. Yeah, it seems that it's working. So let's check the final thing that I have. I tried to use an expander and I have the PRS V9 as mono instead of stereo, so and we can turn off the tuner. Then I tried to use R bass also. And without it. It gives you a bit of oomph, because this is kind of lacking it even though I have the bass at max. And I tried to use an expander before, but this was a bit harsh. But yeah, so I guess I'll be using QuickTime instead of OBS. Sorry, you won't be seeing my lovely face.